Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So once again, thank you for joining me. If you are here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me, help me to share this out. And again, a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you got own trading plan. If not, get advice from professional. Okay, so today at least is moving a little bit. So far for my stock, it's moving. The rest I'm not sure. But looking into the overall Cal SE indices, we do see mostly it's in green. Okay, on XIFU is in red, REITs and the ACE market. The rest is actually pretty good. Okay, doing a little bit of further rebound, what we have from last week. Okay, but again, things to remember is that we are still in the kind of like bear markets. Okay, not a very good markets. So this is for me it's a temporary rebound. I hope KRSA will retest 1550. So right now I just expecting a short term opportunities. Okay, which is like Greta Inari. Okay, I think we have been talking about Greta Inari since last week. Today trying resistance again. Just now the latest I checked, Inari trying resistance again. Greta also heading towards resistance. Hopefully later on it will break further. Okay, so this is a good time for us to lock some profit before the long weekends. Okay, so okay, now this is the overall directions for today. Again, if you got any stock, just let me know. Probably can study that together. Okay, we start with GradTech first. Let's see what I have here. And of course, some of the stocks that we do talk about yesterday and last week also. I need to check back. Sometimes got a few counters, so I forgot. Oh, I think this morning we got 3 runs, right? 3 REN. That one is pretty good. Yesterday, I think they got a strength signal coming back. Okay, so probably we're going to look into that also. So okay, now GradTech. Okay, this one I need to look into the hourly chart. To be fair with you, the daily chart actually didn't show a very good setup. So I say I just expecting short-term rebound. Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay, Tech, yes, I'll look into Tech. So okay, now one good thing about GradTech so far is that they are still holding around the gap. I think yesterday, if you had joined my section, I do talk about I want to take profits already, but I parked a bit high. It didn't trigger, even my nine it didn't trigger, it didn't match. So today, let's see how it goes. Okay, I didn't put any buy sell queue yet. Okay, for both counters, I would like to see whether they will try once again or not, just above 1.70. Okay, for GradTech, but so far they are still holding more around the gap area, which is the support area. But for me, so far so good. Okay, hopefully towards the lunch I'm able to lock profit for this. Okay, now Inari also a bit worried actually because Inari got a small losses. Okay, I thought okay, I got the extra losses ready for this one, but okay, looks like today is pretty good so far. Okay, now trying resistance. I want to see whether it can go to here or not. Okay, 2.10 I think is pretty good enough for me also. Not much. I didn't make much. If let's say really hit, I think it's around 5% only. But again, considering this kind of markets, it's okay, right, for me to lock around like 5% kind of profit at this moment. Okay, for Inari. Okay, now let's do into Tech. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into, just let me know. If not, we just study some stocks from my alerts. Okay, I think 3 runs is pretty good with strength signal coming back on daily chart. Okay, we're going to study that. Okay, now Tech. Okay, it's a shakeout stocks. Okay, this is a long-term sideway or maybe so-called a sideway with shakeout. Okay, this one is like a ranging. Okay, for some times, but it's a big range. Okay, which is I think good. Okay, if you want to do a bit of range trading. Okay, so here will be the main support area. Okay, looks like previously the dip below, pushing back above 30 cents. Very close to current resistance. I still got a bit movement to go. But for me, yes, it's a counters that good to do a bit of so-called range trading. Okay, range trading. So next resistance would be 37 cents. Okay, so now it's 35.5 cents. Okay, very close. So I'm not sure whether Joy you're looking for entry exit. Okay, so if exit, watch out for the resistance. Okay, 37 cents. Okay, so it looks like it tested few round. Okay, this zone over here, sometimes it can touch here and then push back because support resistance is a area lah. So you focus on this area here, if you want to lock some profits. Okay, I think it's a good area here for you to focus on that. Okay, so that's one tech. Not too bad overall. Okay, again, stocks that are good for kind of like range. Okay, but just that want to break this resistance, I think is still a bit difficult to tell because the volume still not very good. Okay, for them to break the 38 cents. Okay, but let's see how it goes towards the end of the day. Today got volume lah, but just that on our chart looks like it's a downward volume. Okay, maybe afternoon we'll see it again. Okay, so there's one tech. Okay, any other counters I'm going to look into, just let me know. If not, I'm just going to study some counters probably from my alerts over here, and we'll see, is there any good chance? I think yesterday closing also got a few very good ones. Okay, we can study that as well. Okay, now BJ Land, okay, no good one, no setups. JCY. Okay, JCY, I think it's a bit similar like Inari Grad Tech type. Okay, JCY. So now let's try hourly chart. Okay, got a bit of short-term reversal. Okay, I think this one can monitor further. I think at least JCY got a short-term opportunity kind of patterns. Because daily chart looks like it's a bit similar like YTL2. A bit similar YTL2 because it actually hit the support here. But background is weak. Do you remember that? Okay. For me, YTL and JCI, the background is a bit weak. So you don't expect them to bullish like previously, shoot to this level. Okay. I don't think so. Maybe still got a chance because this one is still very far away from resistance. YTL power is near the resistance. Okay. So probably next one will be somewhere around here, which is got some rooms to go. Okay, before they hit this 3 resistance. Okay, so yeah, I think JCY definitely worth to look into, considering the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so there's one. Okay, I got some stock coming in. Probably I study your stock first. Okay, then we will look into my alerts again. Okay, Holding is in the triangle. A bit similar like SDG, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, SDG. Okay, this one tricky. Okay, looks like it's gonna be a reaccumulation. So if you are those who are looking for long term, okay, assuming you're looking for entry, so you don't mind to buy whole, you got patience one. Okay, you're not worried of sideway to support. Okay, I think okay, so far. Okay, this is a good support for you to watch out. Anything break below, you must decide very quickly. Best is that you try to, and if let's say you're looking for entry, best is that you enter close to RM1 low. So this is kind of like lower down risk. Okay. Now, if you want to trade on momentum, break above this trend line. I think much more better. For me, I prefer to break above the trend line because normally sometimes I don't have to hold for a few months or few weeks. Okay, because sometimes it will drag some counters. So probably I'll wait for the break. But so far it's okay. Still above support, lower risk, RM1 area. Okay, if you want to look for entry opportunity. Now let's go into Kuskapi. No trend on this one. Okay, one good thing about Kuskapi is, if you're really interested, right, it's a bit similar like JCY. They actually kind of like hit the support. Okay, the thing that I think from this side is that you're expecting a rebound. Okay, maybe something hit here, rebound back. Okay, so yes, they are actually tested support right now. Okay, so potentially may rebound and back to this previous resistance area. Okay, but sometimes it can take for a while. Okay, sometimes hit support will take for a while. So I can say, okay, no much of trending setups. Okay, no much of trending setups in Kuskapi, but there is a low risk opportunity, but probably need to hold for a while. Okay, if you keen in Kuskapi at this moment. Okay, now let's look into UUE. Okay, UUE also I didn't monitor for some time. Okay, yeah, this is an IPO last year in July. So which means they break new low lah, right? Here should be pure support. Okay, yeah, the break new low. Okay. View tag, this one tak cantik sangat lah. Okay. Tak. Not so nice overall, not so nice. Okay, because why? Here got like a shooting star candle. Okay. Not really shooting star, but there's a rejection. Okay, on pure supports now turn to resistance. So I afraid this one probably will go a bit lower later on. Okay, I afraid that. Okay. This one is a bit similar like is it EMCC? Okay, a bit similar, Okay, like for example here, right? Okay, so okay, sometimes like this. Okay, yeah, sometimes it break above, drop. Okay, sometimes like they reject. So just like UEM also, period supports turn to resistance, and usually I don't like when the candle have this kind of so-called lots of rejection, which means they try to break, drop, break, drop, break, drop. Okay, representing that the seller still pretty strong around the area. Okay, so for UUEM, okay, let's go back to UE. Sorry, UUE. Okay, best is that I want to see a strong movement back to this level. So which means they do a shakeout like this, break back. Okay, then got chance slowly to go into resistance again. Oh yeah, okay, can hold. Okay, so which means you are looking for either is hold or exit, right? If you enter already, I'm not sure what's the entry price. Okay, last defense, okay, should be this area already. 59.5 cents. This is your last defense. Okay, because yeah, I just saw your comments can hold or not, which means you already entered. So yeah, your last defense should be this area here, 59.5 cents. Break below here, you have to decide already. Okay, so far the setup is not that great at this moment. Okay, now let's get into Almas. Haven't checked Almas for some times. Oh, okay, so which means your entry is pretty good then. Okay, your entry is pretty good. So far got a big profit lah, right? Less than 5%. Okay, around 4%. Okay, maybe next one when you try 63 cents, you partial exit low. Since your entry is good at 60 cents, okay, so maybe you can do partial exit on 63 lah, near to the resistance, current resistance. So okay, now let's into Almas. Oh yeah, for those that who interested, okay, in gold prices, gold movement, like Almas, Pokong, Tome, tonight 8:30, okay, I have a section again with Dato Yu, okay, which is look into this so-called value investing perspective. Okay, so tonight over here, he's going to share with you about gold and some of the counter related to gold, like for example, Pome and Tokong. Pokong. Okay, so if you're interested, join us. Okay, 8:30 this tonight in live Facebook. Okay, so Almas also shakeout completed. Okay, now looks like I think they got a chance. Okay, to retest again this resistance here. So far, if you ask me, the setup is okay because they done a shakeout completes over here. Of course, immediate resistance currently would be this line, 85 cents. But apart of that, I don't see any so-called major weakness currently. Okay, for Almas, I think still a good counters for us to continue to watch out, and of course also the strength coming back. I think this is the candle. Okay, a bit smaller. Let me just zoom in. So for those that who got access to XIFU apps, okay, you can actually use this strength signal over here, right? So probably you want to use this as your support as well, okay, for so-called low risk opportunities. So for example, right now I'm looking into 3 rand, okay, 3 rands, okay. You notice here got strength coming back, right? Okay, this is also IPO last year, November. Okay, drop. Even though yesterday up, but it's not a very high volume. So that's why don't expect them to shoot up straight away. Okay, probably I think best is that they try the previous resistance area. Okay, maybe best they will try this as resistance area, then maybe sideways again. Okay, so for me, my strategy is very simple. Okay, provided it give me a good price. If let's say no good price, I don't want. Okay, here is the strength candle. Okay, again, this one cross 2040 is good sign as well. So I will use this as my support. Okay, this candle, the strength candle is my support, 25 cents. If the price later on, maybe somewhere around this week, or maybe after a while, they retest against around this area with low volume, okay, narrow bar, low volume, okay, I'll consider my entry because here will be my support, the strength candle will be my support. If break below, I exit. So I know where is my risk. So if let's say, for example, today I entered, yesterday is up around 18%. So my risk currently is 18%. If let's say I buy right now, drop, my risk is 18%. I don't want that risk. Okay, so I want something is more safer. Like normally my risk I'm taking is around 8%. So that's why, yeah, if you got access to XChart, XIFU, use the strength candle. Okay. This period, I think got few counters coming back already with strength candles. Okay, you can probably monitor. Now, if you notice, of course, our strength candle, we build it that's a way that we want to avoid those terrible market. Okay, so that's why for the past few months, I can say that we don't have anything because almost nothing because market is so bad. So best is that we avoid that. Like for me also, I don't really trade a lot. Only like recently, I buy Inari and Gratech, okay, because hourly chart looks like they are coming back. So okay, example over here, you see 3 runs, right? We actually avoided Jan until March, okay, period. We avoided no trades. Here, of course, you can say that it's a few trades. Yes, nothing is 100%. Market, nothing 100%. Okay, that's why I say that I do have losses. So for example, over here, this is the strength candle, okay? So once it drop below, you know what you should do already. Okay, so at least you cut with small losses, you avoid this whole thing. Okay, so that's why for this current month, I also do the same things. I will try to lower down my risk for my entry. If let's say they really drop below, we never know. Later, Trump, China, trade war, market will still be volatile. Okay, so let's say drop below, I'm ready to cut. Okay, I'll be ready to cut. Okay, so now let's go back to DUFU. Okay, against my previous favorite counters. Hey, this is Jason, am I right? Hey, good morning. Long time didn't see you already. Am I right, Jason? But I think it's Jason, okay? Long time didn't see you. Okay, now, DUFU, you notice here we got strong volume, climatic volume, okay? I think short-term reversal will happen. Okay, I think short-term reversal happens. So a strong signal yet to come back again. Okay, so that's why normally this is what I do. Okay, hey, hello Jason. So you're still in the market right now? I remember previously you told me you're in crypto and US market, is it? Okay, not sure you're still in Bursa or not. Okay, long time didn't see you already. Okay, now here is a high volume area. Okay, price moving sideways. So today a big gaps over here. Okay, so I think if let's say you're looking for short-term opportunity like what I'm doing for Grateng and Inari, I think yes, possible. But I not really wanted to hold for more than few weeks because if you notice daily itself, the strength haven't come back yet. Even like Grateng and Inari also. That's why I use hourly chart at this moment. Okay, so there's quick one for DUFU, assuming you're looking for short terms. Okay, for long term one, okay, maybe we use analyzer to help us out. FA wise, 5 out of 9. Okay, not too bad, but of course not the best one. Right, 5 out of 9. Okay, normally I will look for at least 7 out of 9. If let's say I'll look for something long term. Okay, TAI wise is out. Okay, TAI wise is out. So you know the trend sense on that growth. So okay, so that's why I use hourly chart to look for this kind of counters. Okay, any other counters before we continue with our alerts over here? Okay, we got MPI, YTL. Okay, YTL, I think a lot of people follow already. In SAS, Inari. Okay, Inari can break or not today. Can break or not. Okay, still at resistance. Okay, hopefully today will break. Okay, any Notion. Okay, Notion. Let's take a look at the Notion. It's okay. Okay, we go back to yesterday because like I said, sometimes you can actually check some stock from yesterday. This is how actually I spot 3 runs. Okay, it's a good closing, but I'm looking for a pullback, further pullback from here. Sensoft, not much volume. Whole hub recently also volume a bit illiquid already. I'm looking for something more volume. Hey, Epicon coming back. Lagenda. Okay. Previously pump and dump counter also. Okay, Epicon. You but no volume one. Okay, never mind. No need to rush. If let's say nothing interesting, no need to rush. Binasha also looks like still got momentum this one. But now tuck already. Previously we tripped before. Binasha, but still very strong. FPHB. Okay, interesting. Strength candle coming back. Okay, notice here strength is coming back. Eh? Do they know candle? Why? Do they know transaction? Okay. Do they know transactions? So liquid man. Or got any announcement? But it's a bit illiquid chart. Hourly chart cannot see anything. Only daily. Looks like a reversal, but need to see whether is it due to announcement or no transaction today. Okay, probably last two before we end our section. Let's try Gamuda. So again, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. If you like my daily morning sections, okay, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. We have Telegram. Join our Telegram, okay, for more discussions. Okay, Gamuda, again, risky area. If you ask me, Fong, right? Okay, Gamuda is, I think the same. My view is still the same. I would think that this is potentially is a so-called a distribution happening already in this chart over here. Now, normally distribution, few things is they will probably drop badly back to the previous support, like what happened 5-6 years ago, Togglove, Hata, Cosans this time. Okay, if not, they will drop. Maybe it will drop further a little bit, and sideways for maybe years for build a round of reaccumulations. Okay. But you're looking for long term. I believe a lot of people, when they look into Gamuda, they're looking for long term, right? So, okay, TA wise for me is out. Okay, so here we have PS resistance rejected. This one break. I thought it's going to hold, but again rejected. So normally we don't like to see rejection. Okay, from resistance. Okay, so here's another round. You notice here they reject, push it back. Now it looks like trading below 4 ringgit. So for me, it's a bit uncertain overall. It's a bit uncertain overall. It's not the best setup that you want to look into. Okay, so let's look into weekly. Weekly also okay lah. Again, not the best setups. Okay, but if you really want, okay, here is your support. 3 ringgit to 76 cents. Okay, 3 ringgit 76 cents. Okay, so here will be your main support. Okay, so let's say drop here, you have to quickly decide already. Now, in terms of FA, where's my FA analyzer? 4 of 9. Okay, FA wise is also not that great overall. TA also below 1. Okay, so it's not that great overall as well for Gamuda. Okay, M and G. Okay, last one before we end. The distance counters. Okay. This one looks like doing a shakeout. But shakeout yet to complete lah. This is for view tag. Okay, wait. Just let me draw the line. Okay, barrack here should be a nice so-called shakeout area. But tak jadi. Okay, here drop. Notice here rejected previous supports. Okay, somewhere here, turn to resistance, rejected again, drop. Okay, looks like here's not around. Okay, so okay, MMG. What is this price? This is current price of 26.5. So if you want to, best the price stay above this level. Okay, looks like this is the so-called another level, previous support. Okay, it's not a very strong support actually. Yeah, somewhere around this level. Okay, let me just hide this. Okay. So yeah, how much? This one is 26 cents. 26 and a half. Okay, I think my line is not. It's not. Okay, it's not straight. Okay, yeah, 26 and a half. Okay, so best above 26 and a half, I think is considered good. Okay, for now. Okay, consider good for now because here actually the shakeout didn't complete. Okay, so let's say here they cannot stay above 26 and a half. This is another inverse pullback. Okay, which means probably it will drop again. Okay, entry 26, 24. Oh, okay, very good. Now your entry all is very nice one. Right exactly at the bottom. 24. Okay, okay lah, 24 can. Okay. So again, I say here will be your one of the resistance. Maybe you want to monitor for today. If let's say they fail to break here, okay, it's good to lock some profit. Maybe potentially it will retest back to support. But let's say can stay above here around 4 p.m. Okay, maybe got chance to retest again. This level. Okay. Wow, muted entry very nice. Maybe have to let you share with us. Okay, entry at the bottoms. All right. So again, with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. If you like my section, help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. If you're in my Telegram, you can actually also post some of the questions or maybe some of the ideas into a Telegram so that we have more discussions. With this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.